morning to all. First of all, happy Krishna Janmashtami from my side to all with very warm regards. So, today on this auspicious day, let us just discuss about Janmashtami a little. So, Janmashtami is basically a Hindu festival which is celebrated to, remark the birth of Lord Krishna, and it is celebrated in August every year. And the Ashtami date of Krishna Paksha is the date to celebrate this Janmashtami. And as Lord Krishna is considered to be the most powerful among the 10 incarnations of Lord Vishnu, his birthday is celebrated with a great pomp and lots of glories by Hindus, now even all around the world. Now let's just talk a bit about Lord Krishna. So Lord Krishna is, as I already told, one of the 10 incarnations of Lord Vishnu only. He was born about 5200 years ago on the 8th day of the dark fortnight in the Bhadra month according to Hindu calendar. And he's considered to be an extremely powerful god who was just born on earth with a very special message and purpose to free it from the evil class. Now he had a profound influence in the epic Mahabharata as well, where he took sight of the Pandavas and guided them to the way to the path of victory in the battlefield of Kurukshetra. So throughout his life he just preached the only concept of bhakti and karma. So actually Lord Krishna was born in jail because his parents were in prison by his own uncle, or you can say mama, Kans, because he feared that the eighth child of his parents, which means the eighth child of Vasudeva and Devaki, would kill him, and therefore he just prisoned his parents, and thus Lord Krishna was also born in jail. But however, his father Vasudev saved him by escaping him from the jail at the midnight and handing over it to his good friend Nanda. Now from that day, Krishna grew up in the care in the square of his foster parents, like foster father Nanda and foster mother Yashoda. Now they used to keep him with lots of care, love, and he just showed several magical performances by killing several asuras throughout his childhood and teenage. Now, which is like impossible, almost impossible for us, for a normal human being. And then he grew up to be a very strong person. And finally, the day came where he and his elder brother Balram had a tournament for Kansa's palace, for a fighting tournament where Krishna killed Kansa and Balram also killed many asuras. Now finally they achieved the main purpose of their birth. And I just many like several shows on Lord Krishna are broadcasted on TV as a daily basis television, which I just used to love. Is it made my childhood personally interesting, sitting with my grandma listening to all those cultural stories and epics. So I just love the fact that he was known as Makhan Chor because he used to be a Makhan lover. He used to steal Makhans from the Gopia's handi and from his mother's kitchen. He was very naughty during his childhood and thus was known as like with different names like Govind, Natkhad Nandan and all of that. Now Krishna's best friend was Radha, was his aunt, and he used to just love spending time with her. He also had many friends like Sudama, and there's a story also behind the friendship, the bonding between Krishna and Sudama, which I personally admire because it's just interesting. It's just all about the love and the friendship, the bond they shared. So since Lord Krishna was born at night, people celebrate Janmashtami mainly in midnight or night only, and people follow a very special mean or theme celebrating Janmashtami every year. They put the makhan on the earthen pots, which is known as matki, and there's a game known as matki ford, where the judge ties the makhan filled matki above on a rope, and the team playing the game will have a group. They'll just hang over each other, and the leader will just break the matki and in the given time, otherwise the opponent will get a chance to do the same. So this game is basically just interesting to watch and interesting to even play. and many people just come to the spot to observe this game. And Janmashtami is also celebrated in different ways in different house. Like people decorate both the outside and the inside of the house with lights, with flowers, with lots of different unique themed decoration, and they perform pujas and offerings at different temples. And on the eve of Janmashtami, we all hear the sound of the mantras, the chants of bells for the entire day. Many people also love to sing and dance to religious songs, like Dandiya is played, and Janmashtami is considered as one of the most pompous and joyous festivals in Hinduism. Now, Janmashtami is celebrated to remember the birth of Lord Krishna, and it is celebrated on Bhadra month before Krishna could kill. Like Kansa could kill Krishna, Vasudev saved him from the prison, and he grew up in Gokul, killing the Kansa. All these stories, to remind these stories, actually Janmashtami is celebrated, and it acts like a like chains, like we celebrate it every year, so that we never forget about it. We never forget about his magical performances he used to give, about his never-ending love with Radha, special bond, friendship bond with Sudama, and many more. Now, Janmashtami is followed by the Nanda Utsav, which celebrates when Nanda Baba distributed gifts among the citizens in the honor of birth of Lord Krishna. And I personally enjoy this festival very much, enjoying the bhoga, the very specious pujas with lots of enthusiasm and lots of love, and it's agreed between all the family members. So once again, happy Krishna Janmashtami from my side to all. Be safe and wear mask till stay at home, and celebrate this Janmashtami with lots of enthusiasm.